If you're starting a YouTube channel, there's one mistake that almost everyone makes, and it's not their camera. This is the Movo VXR10 AI, a new and improved version of one of Movo's most popular microphones. And if you are just getting started, you'll learn quickly that audio can actually make or break your content. Don't believe me? Check this out from when I first got started.
So obviously there's no brand bias here. There might be a little bit on this hand at least, but I have some stuff from Small Rig and I also have some stuff from Newer. So we're gonna go ahead and put all that to the test.
Yikes, right? That right there, that should be enough to prove that bad audio equals bad video, and that is actually where Movo steps in. I want to take a brief second to mention that they did go ahead and send out this microphone to me at no cost. However, they actually have no say in this video, so much so that I actually forgot to review this a couple months ago when they sent it out to me, so I'm really sorry, Movo. Anyways, the traditional mic that is built into your phone or camera is really good at picking up all of the sound that's actually around you, but it doesn't really prioritize on, well, you. In the audio world, this is generally referred to as omnidirectional, which is not to be confused with the Viltrumite Noah. The VXR10 AI is going to be more of your standardized shotgun microphone, which will actually focus on directly what is in front of the microphone capsule while eliminating a lot of the ambient noise that is off to the sides because of the cardioid pattern that it offers. But that's not actually why this microphone is special. No, instead, Movo took things up a notch and said, hey, new year, better technology, and actually introduced an AI-powered chip directly into the microphone itself. And put a bit more simply, this mic offers a cleverly trained algorithm based on over 700,000 real-world samples of audio to best prioritize you and, well, your voice, while rejecting some of those things like city landscapes, obnoxious nightclubs, or even your neighbor mowing their lawn while blasting Bon Jovi, which I know that might be a little bit too niche, but you get the idea, right? The drawback with this, though, is that this requires the microphone to be powered, whereas similarly sized microphones similar to this one actually just slot onto your camera or phone, and they don't need to be plugged in, no charging required. If you do care more about clean dialogue than convenience, then this is definitely worth picking up. However, it's probably just easier to show you how it sounds, by showing you. So now we're listening to the Movo mic, which I actually have boomed just barely. It's kind of like still in the frame for conversation's sake, but you get the idea. So of course, this is probably not the best placement for you. However, you want the microphone as close to the source of audio as possible, in this case, yourself, and that will give you the best possible audio and also perform the best off-axis rejection. So for this specific instance, my camera is actually 4 or 5 feet away, so it wouldn't sound nearly as good if I didn't do it this way, but let's go ahead and switch to that so that you can get the full effect. Okay, so this is what it would look like if you were vlogging. I'm not a vlogger, so I don't know exactly how people do this. However, I have watched a lot of YouTube videos, so right now I'm using a 10mm lens. The microphone is approximately, I'd say, 2.5 feet away from me. My arm is fully extended, if you couldn't tell by the muscles flexing. But yeah, this is using the fuzzy dead cat with no AI processing, so this is a good baseline, right? And now, obviously, because the microphone has that AI title in its name, I've gone ahead and turned on the AI noise processing. Now, this is a slightly windy day in Florida, which is kind of odd for us, especially because it never is windy or cold or anything. But in the winter, it can get cold for like an hour. So yeah, right now there are some leaves rustling behind me. I don't know if the microphone is picking up any of that, and if it's not, then obviously this is a pretty decent microphone. But if you can hear everything in the background, I think actually my neighbor's pressure washing something. So that's a good example. I know people say on YouTube all the time, like, oh, there's a train behind me. Can you guys hear it? Because I'm testing out the noise canceling. And yeah, unless you guys see it, it didn't happen, right? Now, back overhead, it does sound a lot better, at least in my opinion, but it can get even better with just the push of a button. Now, thankfully, Movo did think all of this through, and instead of just providing you the run-of-the-mill battery, you can actually record with this microphone for up to 30 hours on a single charge without any of the enhancements, or technically a decreased length of 10 hours if you do want to utilize that AI post-processing. So here's how that AI processing sounds, which for me should actually be a pretty big benefit, especially as this room isn't treated as well as it could be acoustically. You've probably noticed in some of the other clips that there's actually a good bit of reverb in here, which should be significantly reduced at this point, especially now that I have that AI enhancement enabled. I think that's the right way. It's still better than the built-in microphone, if that makes any sense. And switching back to my normal audio, what do you guys think? Now, I'm sure it's probably a little bit more impressive if I told you that this microphone is actually only $70. And Actually, I've seen an average for even less than that since its release this past year. But with that price, you'll actually get the microphone itself with a shock mount, a furry windscreen. You'll get a 3.5mm cable for connecting it to your camera, a USB-C cable for connecting it to your phone, tablet, or computer, as well as for charging. And then all of this can be stored inside of the nice premium feeling Movo carry bag. It's worth mentioning that while there are similar microphones to this on the market from different brands like Deity and Rode, and even some more budget-friendly options from Movo themselves, the VXR10 AI edition should actually be an easy decision just given its secret AI processing. But I want to hear your thoughts, so if you want to see how this microphone stacks up to some of the other microphones that I do have in my collection, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, because at this point I am all ears. Well, technically, I'm also a head, shoulders, knees, and toes, but that's mostly because I've been listening to children's music a lot more lately. That sounds really weird out of context if you don't know the context. But you get the idea. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.